Welcome to Growing English Learner. Today we will learn how to ask and answer the question, what is he doing? We will also learn some action verbs. Helping us today is my friend Jack.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm glad to be of help in your English learning journey.
Let's get started. What is he doing?
He is walking.
What is he doing?
He is running.
What is she doing?
She is singing.
What is she doing?
She is making a boat.
What is he doing?
He is putting on a jacket.
What is she doing?
She is dancing.
What is he doing?
He is reading a book.
What is he doing?
He is brushing his teeth.
What is she doing?
She is riding a bike.
What is he doing?
He is playing soccer.
What is she doing?
She is exercising.
What is she doing?
She is playing tennis.
What is she doing?
She is rollerblading.
What is he doing?
He is swimming.
What is he doing?
He is playing football.
What is he doing?
He is playing basketball.
What is he doing?
He is flying a plane.
What is he doing?
He is hiking.
What is he doing?
He is jumping.
What is he doing?
He is drinking water.
What is he doing?
He is cooking.
What is he doing?
He is washing the dishes.
What is he doing?
He is washing his face.
What is she doing?
She is writing.
What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
What is he doing?
He is putting on his shoes.
What are they doing?
They are playing ping pong.
What are they doing?
They are playing chess.
What is he doing?
He is crying.
And what are you doing, Jack?
I'm waving goodbye.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep on growing.